Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to transfer money from PaysafeCard to Skrill step by step. Now, first things first, open up your Skrill app or log into your Skrill dashboard. And before you continue, make sure you also have your PaysafeCard code or access to your PaysafeCard account ready. Now, once you're inside Skrill, you want to click on Add option on the left side of the screen. And then from here, you'll be asked to select the currency you want to use. After that, you want to enter the amount of money you want to add to your Skrill balance. Now, this can be any amount you prefer. So let's say, for example, for today's video, let me choose €100. Done. Then once you've chosen an amount, just go ahead and click Select Payment Method. Now here, you'll see PaysafeCard listed as an option. Skrill gives you two ways to use PaysafeCard. The first option is using a PaysafeCard code. If you already bought a PaysafeCard, just select this option, continue and enter the code to transfer the funds into your Skrill account. The second option is paying with cash at a PaysafeCard payment point. If you choose this, Skrill will guide you through the steps to complete the payment at a physical PaysafeCard location. And once you complete either option, the money will be added to your Skrill balance, and that's all there is to it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.